All right, let's have a look at why this globe is not working. Left headlight assembly, pretty easy to get out. You do not need to take the bumper cover off, so we can just pop this light out, have a look at the globes. T30s. And that is so we can get to this screw here. Just need to loosen that one. This one we remove. And there's two down here that can just be loosened as well. No need to remove them. Then we can go ahead and remove the headlight connector. And the headlight can slip out. So these are the Xenon headlights. So here is the ballast for the Xenon. And if we open this up, we can see that we have a Philips D3S. So we got to pop him out by rotating it anti-clockwise and pulling it back. And there is the faulty globe. Here is the brand new Philips D3S Globe. Let's compare it to the old one. Only difference is this is a plastic ring on the original. The new one is metal, but the keying identifiers look the same. See if we can pop that straight in. That went in nicely. Cap back on. And headlight back in. There's definitely some things to look out for when you're putting the headlight back in, and that is these guides. One over here and this one here. So they need to fit in specific places onto the base of the headlight assembly. So when you're putting them in, make sure they go in position properly. Make sure that that will slide back without having to force it. If those guides are not in properly, it'll keep pushing forward. So that's how we know it's in proper position. Go ahead and put the screws back in. And connect the headlight back up. Now we'll see if that passes the test. We still have headlight range control defective. That was just because the light was unplugged for a period of time. I'm turning the lights on and off there, and I'm not getting the error. Let's go and have a look. Okay, it's all back. Plugged in OBD11, and we definitely are getting this activation for left headlamp beam adjustment motor, and it's open or short circuit. So that is because the connector's been off. I'm just going to clear that and we'll restart the car. Car is started, headlights are on, and we have no more alarms. Job done.